Hello everyone and welcome to Day Trader S&P 500. Today is Friday, November 4th, 2022. It's about 10 or 15 minutes before the open. This is Dale Woodson, editor of Woodson Wave Report. We're still in the process of moving. However, we do have enough to create a video and we had enough to start doing a couple of reports here recently. So without further ado, let's get into it. Yeah, we did have some mishaps. I did break a monitor in the move. And anyway, so much. Let's get on. Enough about me. Let's get on with the markets. Here we're looking at the Qs. You can see the all-time high in November of 21. 5 waves down for wave A down. 3 waves up for B. And here we start on C. And you can see we have 5 waves down for the first wave of C. Let me put that in there real quick. That will be a 1. There we go. And 2 up. 2 up so far has hit the previous fourth wave of 1 lesser degree and right on or near the 382 retracement. It can go higher. You can see, maybe you can or can't see, there's a lot of different targets there. Okay. This 2 up cannot go above the high on August 16th. You can see we have C equals A at 288, a 0.500 at 291, a 0.618 at 301, a 0.786 at 315. We have some ways to determine when and if this wave 2 changes trend to wave 3 down. We'll get into that a little bit later with the E-minis, I believe. Always want to look at the 10-year. We're looking at it from the August 2nd fourth wave low. And you can see we've had some targets here for a while. The 3.868 was hit and surpassed. The 1.272 at 4.434% was a virtual direct hit, really close. You can see we've got a couple higher targets, a 4.626 and one above 5 right there. You can see that 5.051. We'll have to watch this closely. This is a daily chart of the US 10-year interest rates, and this could be A down and B up and then C down, but we'll have to watch that. Again, the bigger trend is up. We'll see. You can see the red lines here are the Fibonacci retracements if this wave is complete up here on that was October 21st at 4.335. We'll watch this closely as we always do and look at those targets down there. The 382, if that is complete there, the 382 is at 3.527%, which is the area of the fourth wave of 1 lesser degree. Again, we'll watch it. Let's get into the S&P cash. Again, everything counts from the January 4th all-time high. 5 waves down for A, red in parentheses. B wave correction, a perfect 618 retrace, a perfect direct hit on a Fibonacci turn date. And you can see here we've got the beginning of wave C down, 1 down, 2 up, 3 down, 4 up, 5 down for 1 of C. 2 is in play, or it ended on the 1st. It could still go higher. You can see there it hit right on the 50% retracement. It could go higher, but it looks like it could be complete right there. We've got our C wave targets here, minimum of 31.43 in the cash. We'll break this down a little bit in lower degree of trend, smaller time frame, excuse me, in the E-minis. For the S&P cash, we'll go from the daily to the hourly. You can see here the daily, we went up to this August 16th wave B high. We'll come from that B wave high, and you see we've got 1 down, 2 up, 3 down, 4 up, 5 down for 1 of C. And here is ABC going up to correct. You can see it went past the 382. It's right on the 50% retracement again on November 1st, and it looks like it's breaking down from there. There are higher targets for this second wave. This is 1 down, 2 up. What will come next is 3 of C. Okay, it may even already be in play. I think we got the 10-minute here. Yeah, okay, let's back up. So we had this from the 816 low down to the wave 1 low at 34.91 on 1013. And then we've got that down here. You can see we've got the A up, the B down, and the C up. There you can see where C equals A at 39.20, and it went just below it at 39.11, I believe that is. And we'll get into this action here from that apparent C wave high. It's right where C equals A as far as the S&P cash, which is just a few minutes from opening. So we'll go to the EMini Futures, ES, and again, 5 waves down for A in parentheses, 3 waves up for B in parentheses, direct hit on that date, and again, 1 in black, down, 2 up, 3 down, 4 up, 5 down for 1 of C. There is 2 of C. This could be, I want to throw that out there, wave A of 2, then we get a B down and the C up higher. I want to leave that possibility on the board. We'll get into how we see a change in trend from 2 up to 3 down in a little bit here. Wouldn't surprise me at all. See them run it up to shake out the shorts before they take the rug out from under everyone in wave 3, 3 of C at 2 different degrees of trend. But this is what we're looking at in the E-mini futures. You can see this A down from the 1-4 high to the June 17 low. Then we got B up, C equals A here at 31.59. And that's 1 down, 2 up. If that is correct, 3 will go way lower than that. And there's larger, or there's there's targets that are much lower than 31.59. That's the minimum achievable target. There's more achievable and higher multiples, 1.618, 2.618, and more. Okay, let's break this down from the August 16 high. Again, this thing is going down in ever since January. 5 waves down, 3 waves up. Repeat, rinse, repeat. Okay, 1 down, 2 up in black, 3 down, 4 up in black, 5 down. Again, the larger wave 1 of C in red in parentheses. There's wave B up. You can see that hitting right on the 50% retracement. And there is the 39.28 actual high on November 1st. And you can see this action down here. Okay. Need to take out this 36.41 0.50 low for the bears. Okay. This looks like a 335 correction. 3 up, 3 down, 5 up, 335 into the wave 2 high on November 1st. I can break that down a little bit. This is an hourly. Let's go to the 10-minute, and there's that 11.1 high. Okay, and you can see we've got a 1 down and an expanded flat. A up, B down, C up. B goes below the start of A, and C goes above the end of A. That's an expanded flat or an inverted flat. We got a 3 down, a 4 up, and a 5 down. And here's that ABC up. And this happened this morning about an hour ago, and that could change things a bit. But you can see here where C equals A was 37.70. It hit it. The 382 is at 37.89. And the 500 is at 38.16. Then we got 38.42 for the 618, 38.80. Okay. But now that this has developed, and that is a lower low, this could be developing. We're looking for a counter trend bounce higher today to mark the top of 2 on our turn date, which is today. Could be off by a day or so, but this is a little live adjustment here. Okay, if that indeed is A, then B would be down here. And there's we're looking at C up. Okay, it went past the 1-to-1, and there's the 1.618 is right by the 50%. Could fall short. Remember, it is a bear market. Surprises should be to the downside, so we'll see what happens on that. Let me get, I think I have a pic of this. Here we go. We put out this morning at 5:15 a.m. Eastern, 4:15 Central, and you can see that workings right there. There's A up, B down, and C up for 2. There's that November 1st high. You can see this broke down here. 1, there's the expanded flat for 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now we've got the ABC, and there's all of our targets there. So we'll see what happens with the market today. Again, we're looking for a turn on today. Let me see if I got that report that we put out. And I think I have it here. Pre-market is at 5 something this morning. Let me scroll down. Excuse me. Yeah, our move wasn't complete. We have enough to publish reports, so we're making do. Okay, there is that same chart right there. And I want to tell you guys and maybe show you on a chart, okay? Because we need to see a change in trend from 2 up to 3 down. How do we know? We look at a shorter time frame, okay? We need 5 waves down, which we already got. We need 3 waves up to a lower high. That is in process. Okay, then we need 5 more waves down to a lower low, and then any subsequent move up to remain below, excuse me, the first 5 waves down. Okay, so I can show that to you guys here on this. Let me get back to it. And let me get back to it here. There we go. Okay, let's get to the 10-minute. And the 10-minute is here. Okay, there's the first wave, 5 waves down, right? So for a change in trend, we need to see 3 waves up, and it needs to hold below 39.28. It can go to any of these multiples, okay? But let's just say that I'm going to take this out to show you guys what we're looking for a change in trend to go from 2 up to 3 down, okay? And obviously, if it goes above 39.28, it is still 2 up. 2 up is not done yet, okay? So if let's just say it is done there, okay, at today's high, it's probably not, but for argument's sake, to show you guys, I'll do this for you. This won't be exact to the penny, but that would be 5 waves down, and that would be the retracement up. We'd look for another 5 waves down to get to here, okay? Let me draw a little line there, okay? We would need, let me see if do I have an arrow there? I'll make one. Okay, let's just do this. 5 waves down to there. Okay, make it red. Let's get into settings here. I like red to be down and black to be up. Okay, so what we need to see for a change in trend is 5 waves down, followed by 3 up, and this could go higher. Then another 5 waves down. That would be the minimum one-to-one relationship. There are lower ones. They're irrelevant because we don't know that that's the high yet. Then we would need to see 5 waves up. I'm sorry, 3 waves up. Pardon me. We would need to see 3 waves up here. Let me stop it there and let me make that black. Okay, there we go. Okay, first 5 waves down, accomplished. Okay, 3 waves up, in process. Then we need 5 more waves down to a lower low, and then we need 3 waves up to stop below the wave 1 low. That's how we know we got a change in trend. And I break it down by the 1 minute and get that out to our monthly subscribers who see reports at least once a day, sometimes multiple times a day. And we started getting those out. I think it was Tuesday or Wednesday actually put out a report from the hotel room and made it work while we were traveling to our new location. Okay, so that's what we're looking at. I'll leave you guys with that pick there, okay? And let me make sure I can get that in there a little better for you guys. There we go. Okay, that's where we're at right now. We're looking for this 5 ways down to be corrected with an ABC. It's in process. Let's just go live here real quick and see if I can get that in there again. There we go. There it is. Let's remove this because that is in the future. This is where we are, and that retracement is sitting right at the 382. Again, that could be a couple different ways. Labeling that is in process. But then what I'll look for is 5 down and 3 up to a lower high on a 1 minute chart, and then 5 more down, and then we're off to the races. So 2 up is in play. The turn date is today. We'll see if it tops today or Monday, and see if this wave 3 of 3 down begins soon. That's it for now, and until next time, take care, everyone.